The European Space Agency, ESA, has released a spooky, crackling audio which reveals how the Earth's magnetic field sounds like. The magnetic field isn't something we can actually see, but is a complex and dynamic bubble that keeps us safe from cosmic radiation and charged particles carried by powerful winds, called solar flares, flowing from the Sun, measured by the Space Agency's Swarm satellite mission dedicated to surveying the magnetic field and converted them to sound. The results, according to them, are pretty scary.